I spent a lot of my life chasing after this world. I didn't realize it will never fill my soul. When Jesus found me and rescued me, saved my soul and he set me free, and he said, "For me to tell you that he is waiting on you to be rooted and grounded in the name of the Lord, rooted and grounded by the Holy Ghost. And if you want to go to heaven, you have to be rooted and grounded, rooted and grounded in the name of the Lord.